I was kindly gifted this beautiful pink treadmill. This has a 400 plus pound capacity. The 15% incline. As you can see, we have a remote control. We have a little phone holder here. So I can just stick my phone on here this way or the other way. And we also have this little slot for our remote control. This has 3 different speed settings. A 7-layer non-slip running belt. If you use the 12% incline, you can burn 100% more calories. You could also leave the handle off and put this under your desk as a walking pad if you wanted to. This has a 350 pound weight capacity. So let's go ahead and get this turned on and try it out. So this does have a 3-second countdown to get you started. You can just use the remote to bring up the speed. So this is at 2 miles per hour, a great walking speed. I have the handles if I want to use it, or just to use, like, watch something on my phone, or to place the remote control and then hands-free. I can use like weights on my wrist, move my arms freely. And this is just so pretty. I think it will definitely encourage me to do more walking. With this, it's so easy to get like 10,000 steps in. You can watch shows here. You can watch it on your television if you have one. So easy to get those steps in and the exercise in daily. Very small, lightweight, very easy to tuck this away. You can put it in a closet or store it under your couch or a bed as well. So I'm very happy with this. So cute, so easy to use.